Welcome to a video from Untitled.com. In this video we're going to look at these Tribit Export Fly Bluetooth wireless headphones. About $29, this about £25, available from Amazon. Waterproof, or IPX7, so shower-proof, I guess, or certainly if you're out running, they're not in the range, you're not going to break them. I wouldn't go in the shower with them or the bath. So let's pair this up with my phone and hear what they sound like. So they come with a nice little pocket carry case, which is quite good, saves you and leave them in your bag all tangled up, so I think that's a good idea. So there's the headphones, obviously wireless and with a single control in the middle of it, and in the bag you get replacement earpods, or these covers, and a USB charging cable, micro USB charging cable. So I just tried these out. They fit in your ears like that with the strap here and your controls on here, and I've paired them up with my phone, dead easy to pair it up, and I'll play some music on it now. And it's got a nice clear sound. If you crank up the volume, it's actually really loud. That's way too loud for me on full volume, so I think I'll turn that down a bit because that's way too loud. So they've got a nice clear sound. There's not too much bass, but you kind of expect that for these size of earphones. But nice and light, nice and comfortable. The strap maybe we're getting a bit annoying, but you want it here. You could put it behind your head, I suppose, but you want this handy. You want the strap here so you can get the controls. So do that bit. So nice and comfortable. You've got the strap here. It could be a bit annoying, I guess, but you've got the controls on here. I just found out by accidentally, if you tap this, double tap the button on here, it actually dials your last number as well. So you can use it with the phone. So you can take phone calls while you're using it. So you get about 12 hours, the manufacturers say, battery life. They come out in the box about 70% charge as well, and it takes about 1.5 hours to charge it back up. So if you're out and about, these are nice little headphones. Good music, you can make calls on them, easy to charge with a micro USB, and it comes with the little case as well. So $30, £25, definitely worth checking out if you want some nice little headphones. Thanks for watching this video. You can see more on our YouTube channel on thedigital-lifestyle.com and IXDixon on Twitter.